Hello WordPress buddies, this is Govind and I am here with a new plugin. Recently I have encountered with a tweet on my timeline. Just copyright.gov just change their footer text and it will automatically now change their copyright year. So seeing these, we all have to face these kind of issues. Those who are adding the copyright year in the footer of the website, but it's commonly used, and most of the cases we use normal HTML text, but it will be better if we use a dynamic text. Those who know the coding, they all know the WP functions. They can add the footer node. Some themes comes with an Astra, or some other themes comes with this kind of feature by default with their themes. But some people like me, those who don't know the coding and that much knowledge of coding, so non-coders, they fail to add this kind of automated copyright informations to their website. They have to do it manually, so every year it will be a hassle. So for the agency owners and freelancers, they all have to do that things manually. So seeing the things on Twitter, so I feel we definitely need a plugin that covers all the needs, adding the text or changing the footer text, but don't need to be worried about the year changing issues or changing the years on the regular basis. So I built a plugin with the help of the ChatGPT. So I am not a developer, but I tried to make the thing easier for us. I took the code snippet from the web and just input the ChatGPT and give the prompt to make the things better. This is the GitHub profile, GitHub link. I will definitely share the link with you, and from here you can download the zip file, and you will get all details here, how you'd be benefited and which themes are supported. I have tested all the things. These things are now supporting this plugin, and also I gave a short overview how you can make the thing, how you can stylize the things. I give some settings here to make the things better. So let's jump on the tutorial. So this is the plugin dashboard. I have already downloaded and installed it here, so just you have to activate it. After activating it, because this is my testing site, I already added it previously. So after activating it, you will definitely get a default tiny version of styling here. So if you want to style the settings of this plugin, you have to go to the settings page. You will get the settings menu here, footer copyright text settings. So basically you don't need to add any AR or anything changes here. These will cover up all the color of the changes. Like if you want to change the color of your footer copyright text, then you can add the colors or something like this, blue. This time I'm using this very simple. And you can change the typography size. Here you can change the typography size. Basically it's very small, so I'm using the 50. You can change the alignment from here, left, right or center, very basic. Also you can add the padding and margin here, or they're a very interesting thing. You can use the pixel percentage or REM, so that works perfectly. But some based on themes, it changes the things. That's why I have given these parameters, so that you can adjust the footer height and length. From here you can see. So sorry, but from here you can change the padding, and just you have to give the number, and by default you will see this kind of text here. So this is the default settings. You will get the name and the padding and the bottom, same for the margin. And you can change the copyright text. By default you will get this copyright symbol. You have to add, you can add any type of text here. Also you can make it italic. Also you can add the bold sign. So that's it. Or you can change the background color. So that's it. I'm making the saving, make it change, adding the changes here. So now refresh the page. So see, These are the things, very easy. You can easily handle the things, all right, so just or whatever it is, you can add the text editor, what kind of information you want to add here. So that's it. This is the very basic plugin, but it cover, I tried my best to make the things better for everyone. So if you need to change the background color based on your theme, based on your style, so you can manage it. It's a very simple plugin. So I make it live. The code is live in the GitHub, so if you want to add anything, you can share anything, you can submit. It's a public repository. So I welcome everyone to check the plugin and share your feedback and give me your opinion. Thank you for watching this. Take care. Bye bye.